carry you for grant. Come my city. Wa bell. Who be you? Odafo ma go alo. Wa ho.
Wa mani do da fun e.
Money there. Matter. Don't no tell any nai. I will be money do da fun e. All ye do no. All ye do there you wa.
But a video no kere de why am I make on our way?
Oh, that for my beggar and you men of kind of social media.
Make an only echo on our way, so they are both of them at the same one.
Then a money do that for him. Only my beggar and women of
my brother, more time, my affair, we any affair, there is time for everything. Okay? There is time for everything.
Yes.
There is time for everything. I don't want to attack with my government says ya gbale your hospital ban. So egbe waran, you know. So anybody not on you do where egbe maran or what you that for you oh that person you are going to.
Why got that for
I will be your nightmares. Why because no gelo viedo. Ona he kino wona do kaya ni ade do deba no do na. Kiyen kabati yen ni ya do yen ni ya do kaya. Listen. Any or injiji or mona bien do ayek ovie do ki ovena ma yek do ni ko o we bwana bio ona emi no ko na ekino ko na do why that me na ko e kena bo we no ko na yi de na just only one call ke kanu then emi asunu do
ma ware
one call ke kanu emi asunu be do if there's not taking all la TV all la VBS ne kafa ko ni ne kere no. So nobody don't just come here and come and say anything that you don't know.
Abuja. You are free because a court talking man. Una your banner we go deal with you. Life. Matter be my way. We go deal with you. And you go collect. Where? A self-love. Who decky. You buy market. You see the lane. You don't know nothing. Not be to the open high back. You not sabi nothing. Now we go deal with you. Now we, oh mwe, go with Facebook. My sister, a picture of the phone now. Wave guale de la dia. I need a picture of the phone.
A self-love in order gele to agbe. It don't come out for men matter. And I see this video yesterday. I be there for yesterday. I come across video for Facebook. I not watch and only way I just comment. I just tell and say. You they analyze everything, but you forget to analyze your life. I know say this video go put on for problem. Because the talk was too much. See the way she they talk, like say baby now momo they follow the talk. Like say like Iki they follow the talk for house. I know some of all these women, if they don't just there abroad, or if you say they do untouchable. When you forget, say you must reach us.
But the same people all saying about which is rubbish.
Whether good or bad, fear not going to let you talk about palace.
Mama beg now. Your bon never quite more bola jati never quena. Here the weather, wow. Then no hijo reviage. Wow, what beg now? What magua?
Whether good or bad, we don't fit discuss about palace. We cannot.
Send a request.
Bona,
daddy some mommy in the house. Wabowie. Me the video but we make una dey me my life Facebook. Honor the happiness by happiness we try no. Happiness now we gbedo well at where no yari any age when you ogun ban. So if I me no wa stop where wo work na do have gwa we fi pe ari. Because me jage o man gbe marano de te gbe ran yen pa yo wa every day all le back yan wo Spain. Me ho se very we Spain ave video no uni eba na yawe eba wa le lo wa when we all le back yan wo Spain. You know? So o me dokpo lo ka fi pe gun me platform pa. So if I na ya dige ina so gbon gbon mi na ma wa gbata lo. Ma wa gbadu assemble. Alawuki ami wa ma gba mu je wa gba san bo be meso agbo egun o be don wa ya yen wa we yen gwe yen ma si bata we are lot so you just ignore them Why? Because they are looking for your attention. They are looking for attention from you.
Oh my God.
Another way water. Princess, another way tana princess. Taka mi egbe. I think a Valencia and Waji. Is that Valencia and Madrid?
Yeah, we Papulona. We Papulona, Lerida.
So we are right now.
Lerida.
Okay, manivia do no ma. If yes, say. Especially mana reni meje egboba me bieji. So I make baby and me like we are there with social media. Obi we come me biena. One Sunday. So no fi we no je na nya we. E announcement we are mula dia we. You know gijena. Come akwa no e ke no je anybody no ro no resiti no je no la ni anyo duku.
Me iria na we Spain ya we mi opa. Iya ni anyo duku amu ya. Iya ti gun. You understand me?
Why not?
Where can me Spanish people where here do anyo duku? Me mai ni amu ha ba. Me mai
tinha morra.
O reguinha agua. E caniro o reguinha agua. Me mai understand it. Iya ni o iya re mana iya gebe.
To reguinha agua e maniburo.
Question we should be asking.
Emaniburo we o ma concern me. Emaniburo yari nwina ya adam remeta ba we imeki una de moto me na gebe na we. Wona kwa kine ge na do na we. Obe ki agbero awu. So ne happiness wa ya ka mai we gere ni e wu were. I am a dog or tea for you, and I went or say, you understand me? If I'm in a fear, you understand? So, no sooner is that where a man no Spain, anybody no Spain, anybody no Papilo now, no we hoe, near Lerida. Why because a Lerida na small place now, Lerida not
small place now. Yes, now.
Na small city. Lerida not be big city like that. Anybody where they lady that when you know make they come out because a bar wa lele here or one say bag on one you all la bonus dias le lave boya can weba so enemy know. Oh my God, see e wa ke no one number wa gbadu atole social media ala wuki na ona ma wa gbadu asan bo e ma wa gba san bo, you understand me? So no never is that where na ni eta na nya gwe obo company e finu ge na nya do have egu o me do no your address they to analyze
pela or the edo ye na wa kan we e ma di
we
onu ya visit egwe wetin ya visit they no kan they me no na go
of course
they me no go.
Everybody is motivation speaker. Everybody is a motivational speaker on social media looking for elder income. When I can remember what's up or where you get Facebook analyzing yari. But a day a bar to you from battle bar. So what kind of
a bar no here wuji? Or my me?
What kind of married woman you have? Why in one a bar who set a live video who's one talo? What kind of a man? And you have whatever that for they are not a good thing. They are not a good thing.
Address because he
where people are your DM going to give the address. You don't need to contact
thank you.
Man.
Please, walao.
People will be on your DM before you finish this live video. Omonagele beer, omono say. Obiedo no lele na lele do in la DM where the address la tema.
Yes. Wese.
DM. Before you finish this program, continue repeating it. People will come to your DM and feast and bring the address and bring all the.
Yo, Power, are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
I just want to round up.
Okay, say something.
All right. Good afternoon, Princess. I understand how you feel. The thing is this, sometimes when we address an issue, we go say now the person is sick. Can a sick person know what social media is all about? We shouldn't take an excuse for anybody, you understand? So when we are dealing with issues, we should deal with that issue the way the issue is. Not be say we'll come to say because say the person is sick. So person when is sick will know how to tell papa and mama say that they mad. Or person when they sick, you go know how to on video, then go now the throw mat, go meet people that he or her not supposed to throw mat give. Let's call the spade and face the reality. Ignorance is not an excuse, you understand? I believe say before now, we have been advocating on this issue that nobody should throw mat to that particular place as far as that place is concerned in Benin. So if you are not coming out as a woman or as a man to think for you to draw traffic, now for you to call the throw mat go where you're not supposed to throw mat go. At the end of the day, you face the penalty. That's just it. So there is nothing like
that is true.
You know,
so
you know, see
there's
what
nothing.
Pedro do now.
Yeah.
You know, say
Yeah, so
carry kapwepwe. He carry, but at the end, who win the case? Na kapwepwe.
You understand?
That is our tradition.
There is a law. There is a law that guides.
There is no case to answer.
You understand? There is a law that guides every state. So that guides every place. So if you can come to a foreign country and respect the laws of their land, so why can't you respect the laws that guides your land either in the government? You understand, either in the government or in the traditional institute. So I sometimes I pity for people who, after taking some useless decision, they will not come back to start to the beg, say they didn't know. So that shouldn't be an excuse. Let's be honest here. That shouldn't be an excuse.
We're supposed to be having a pity to those type of people. You know why? Why? Because that place is not a place you toy with. Anybody that went to that place and go and be jumping like a monkey, you will become a living corpse.
Sure.
Of course.
A living corpse. Even nobody will curse you, but you are cursed already. You see that woman, for somebody to come up here to come and say trash that she is sick, or nobody should. Listen, with her husband, if I'm not in a good terms with my wife, that marriage is closed, and we can never live in the same roof. So you cannot tell me they are not in the good terms, but they are living in the same roof. No, it's not done. That is not true. So, or that for we come and explain to the Beninese,
yes.
Or you get for why? Because where as well Mario Kwo. So Yario Kwo done. He will not say that they have not been seeing the nuisance that his wife is because he cannot say that he have not been seeing the nuisance that his wife have been performing on the media. Like anybody know where already work bassy over here doing it, unless you ba boya wa ya boy. Who do you do kuma or do any TikTok or any handle that take no sense, you know, in my brother or you a woman I will be your nightmares and you will be my worst enemy. Why? Because they cannot tell matter. I will your wagima tell matter or ba of which there is no apology or give that apology to God. No saloba forgive him. Why? Because when no saloba forgive man, we can never forgive that woman. She's a bastard. So while I no even data so go piani. Data so go why? Because when me walking no sense on do gbe no osana gumeri oku dan I do go ali me why do that we more that phone I will be having an explanation to give. So that phone wa gwa that phone I got set me on that phone can I bo weru dan you we do oh I'm here now and he's going to see what is going to before her very soon.
Peaceful. Peace. Are you there? May I drop you? You see, my brother, you see, now these people, they find trouble, they go everywhere. They find trouble, they go. That is why you see, say, if these people, they go Nigeria, they dodge, they go. Fear not go, they not go free again if they go Nigeria. They hide, they go. You can never see them in public. Now hide, they go for inside hotel. You know, go see them. But if this woman husband they here, thank God say they just send me the everything. they will still send me more information. Now that man, once they fit detect that man family house, that man will carry us go this woman family house. Now wetin we want do them? Because not fit say you dey Europe, say you dey Europe, we not go fit do nothing. This one not be only
Agree
this.
how to. Good morning, everybody.
Working here. This one not be only
Good
this.
afternoon, sister. Welcome, on.
The video no here.
Ogo kuna. Okay.
Give me a year. Where's see? You see,
Mommy
you see,
Esther, come mommy.
or they busy. You see these people, You see these people, they feel say that they Europe, they feel they misbehave, they talk anyhow. They talk anyhow. This will not be all the days will be say, person know they get WhatsApp a group again, they know they get now. But though all of us don't unite, we get WhatsApp group where we say we did follow all these Yoruba people. All these Yoruba people, once we get una papa house, more than wait for us. As far as say video day, evidence day,
No,
it day
she
with
too
us.
do now. She too
Because
do.
now you use your mouth to talk.
No.
More go play the video, give your family, see what your pikin do for Europe. Me una see am. No ahe.
You saying they will not be happiness. You saying they will not be happiness.
I happiness.
A boy in not time my where.
Okay. Me money dey no be happiness. He may not buy me. They hear it here, but happiness ma
I met the so why? Are we
where worry. Emaro, happiness. Emawaro ji. Emaro. Emaro. So ma wa mo bo wa underground job. Where worry we ni. The tokona ma deal with that one are basic. We will deal with you because since now you the short woman, you now say you go to jump. Ima bio bonu wa ho wa ogyon ba ogyen vo la re wanire pap wanire lerida ware mana wa ageme wa manu wa gunwa ege asena wa ya de ba ko na wanyo wa invite vocation wa invite likeya but wa mai nyu duku na wa dogun e bono le loko ko na kan wa le luwa ya e o ga kamugwa wa ho ko na wa manu wa gunwa but wa ya lije ki ma ya le leku e bono gbo na kan gbugwa koviedo ropa mama yi onuwa ga lele amogun bana mubo mama mi o pari e na we no de ni ati e feti no e pa to ogun ba yori o send request igbava he drop e mana he drop e you don't have right to come to my platform why do then here do o win my way do I say for waiting
Ochen princess who am mama baby na no water na echo wari one. You know why? Otimana no waru platform na platform where na at restaurant. He knows me very well. Of which there was one day me on a platform that bastard at Sarah T-Boss. Young big game. I was tapping, come down from this platform. They replied me verbally. Eye blessed platform oga yagbe. Ogbe na okanu wa bi ra won viye na mi owe. Me na mi we ko mi ba. O wa me o do egbe la o. Esa no remember you can testify. Immediately put at the platform yagbe.
Prince. Ona wa lele sera ari oge sera. Ona ya gwa we.
Iye le last time matter what me no. Iye le ari platform yagbe.
Ona ri oge sara.
Yes.
Oge sera Tibo.
Iye le ari platform yagbe because we can't tell the man in the sera do.
They don't need to know.
Agbara Martin. Agbara Martin, we can't tell women in the Sarah, the name of their sister. We can't tell women in the Sarah do immediately. You know, start to the platform now. To the platform now. Iyamatore, they talk to me verbally. Okay, don't worry. They are two at the platform where the boy. That is good for you. When you can never enter my house. You can never be my friend. Because we can't tell women in the bastard in you for years. Not the platform where they don't see Gualo. They gift him Gualo. In the way, rubbish.
Oh God. Me might tell no nana. Me might tell you no nana.
You want the disappointment on river Jennifer na arriba, girl na be arriba, yes, na wa arriba, na wa talo be.
Oh my God. What look we meso we webo. Esa we no be one we o evu. Ay man. Ay. We no ileli le loge do. We no ke va ni re. Oma keke na mie we mie gba me ma ve yo. Oma keke Then meje na we mi me platform amo yo ba agwa imudia yo stand yo.
A pastor ba Christian ti me pan, owe pastor yen hin, owe a Christianity matter where de Christian ma hin, ma mi wa no mo ebogbedo, ma we pastor ma hin, ma ale lo ma ni hin, owe no, owe give what belong to Caesar, and give what belong to God, to God.
When me oge pa the platform in me, I send a request. Oma no enya because me abwa. Ema ni ba enya wa send me. Iya na wa send a request go do kuna.
Platform where they not do.
Eve pagare vana ve no deni. E pa ebo amagba. Oga are vana no de. You know? Because
I know I
did
power tap for you.
I wa send a request. Your mama na be mumu woman. Mudia, ya go ma ko wa mute. When the platform imagine now, anybody not here but e boy akpaye mare. Wa gwe mo bok bele no ma. Venu ya committee we mumu woman. Obonu ya committee ni emi amo hian la weri.
Rode feto na gbono na.
Neku we gbe. O hian la weri. Miame ohian la weri. We worry, we wa agbene. Miame ohian la weri. Uke ya wu. Save you we. Oboni nu we ya gbemi na. Miame wu ohian la weri.
Oh yeah, wow.
Ni block you we. Mo miame wu ahian. Because when me na me take nonsense the platform me. Am ogion ba wa is so. Wa is so. Ogion ba. I'm ready for now. Not be to the hide for fake account. Come with your real account, send requests, open videos saying I'm me. If you know the fear, you go open videos saying I'm me. Now so it be. Or you say I be one checker woman where be say una go feed use one hand push. If you see me, fear go let una open una smelly mouth. If you are boo, wa sungu. We mumu. Wetin the faith God do here? Then the faith do over man. What do? When one account in the boom, what then what ye bo? Happy. Happy. What drop eh? Only you more you know. Who do you more?
It be like say the person they talk. It's like the person they eat.
Same mouth.
They just they go. I bet she they take lunch. I been a man or woman.
Na TikTok they carry them they come. You know. Ona adie mana. Ana no we ina le mwetore. Ona de gbe send a request. Yana no we what agun amagbayen veje na. Come on. Get out from my platform. Come on, never. They don't do the platform, bono le luwa here. Why do you see no Because they don't mean na platform all neat, all clean. All neat, all clean. Anybody no ile lo yon back here never. You can never be my friend. Never. Oho no ga obi jemi. Oho no ga obi rami. Wait ya oseme. Wait ya oteme. Never. One way man ni block with social media, with Facebook. One way man ni block. Ni ya begging ya waiting ya lela bati here. One way I'm a panic over respect.
Platform na go young banner hina. Mama keke ni devan. Okay, ni ya begging ya wa gbera. No need so van at all.
Thank you for the gift.
I suppose go that one. Ni agwalo. Selflove we wa muti ai me dey busy. Ojo when me damo ene. Ere we ma gba. Ere we ma gba wa fian gu be wa so da fon we ladian. Ube ke no se yerese we. Nyaga izegbu Nyaga izegbu mi wa no le imi anu bi wa no gun anu Ede na bata.
The woman rate it talking, man. Me following.
Ano ya we ogwalo. Wa fian wa. Ha wo hian
Wow,
bag
We
who
wo
the
ain't wa.
wa.
Facebook even
We
so
ain't
no they
wa.
now what the now what? What is he doing? Is she okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Wait,
Imagine.
this woman is not okay. No, 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 no. Oh, she went far.
Iya
Why
we buy
can't
ba lele kia ve lerida. E buy ba lele kia no ya wanyo
Umagi
kia.
me a topic. Umagi me a saga. Ah, no, no,
Eh.
no, 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 no. It's a taboo. He said no, no, no. He said no, no,
E
no.
buy e ya o lele kia wanyo kia. Wa sungu. Wa ho wa be no ho wa na. E me mo kia la we gbe. Me na mo pase wa na ba wo tu kun mi. E mi ame ni o kia ge le gbo self love. E mi ame ni o kia gbu e. O kia gbu e. Amo kia ba wa ro pa to. Wa to. O wa mu ebo no ho a e wa mu le o salo boy if you wa meto han if you wa e meto han because o wa ki e ku ne bo no ya la wo wa ebo o mi o gbo ba ria na o gbo ba ria ave no we de ara mi e ku ya ibie no mo ya we yi amebo gbe ba aria no sin na do seri ebo no kwa lele o lele ade ebo na mu gbe ne kere eso waro ye ibi money e money e di otoya ye de gbe bi money e di otoya ye de gbe bi money e di otoya oti ye ya re mi we wo sunu no mo na mana di agbon ya ado bege we re no na di agbon ve re ni emi bu no o ko no we ne kere gay iwa pity e man wala orure ije no wala orure wa ga igu e metu han osi aleruwe osalobua egi maju we bi omodan egi omodan le egi omodan le aharimare oni eru mana ikwono hia bielu wa ve ego wa igu wa iga diagbon wa iga diagbon adiave o mano hia ibi wa e to han e self love wa batire ya e to han unda o wa mo problem gin ya ni wa I pity those family no bi wa cause e bono le wa he ne kere edo union ve nore papulona lerida wa keke no ladian o na no wa pole ladian ki e ko da fun e ye wo da fun o vi o ba no ko ayan ifa kin we na vi a si o da fun e we no pia o na vi a si o da fun e o keke no wa no wa ga si ke ya wa ga lele no pia nwanyo wa ga lele no pia nwanyo wa ga lele ri eva e o ma keke wa to ta kene no pia hu da e bo la yan na wa ne e bo no ho a na ja seri o la yan na wa ne gay the ohun dana self love na o mo ebo ni ajo o wa ni no as he don't delay time people don't cut am now people don't cut am
Waiting with us screen record.
wetin we don cut wey dey my phone you know how many platform wey I don send am go many platform wey be say all those our great people wey dey stand for Benin Kingdom they don get am don see something na the address na they just need na the address once we get am now
What
no
if
na
I
dey see
push
wetin
and go
wan
do one and now she won't delete her? What if I push and go do one? She sit down.
yes na yes na
Anybody that is secretly misbehaving, pretending that he loves Benin, my God will be disgracing them. Something will push them.
ẹ̀yin na hie do awọ di ọve iya gwedogun a iya gwi dogun ni ha deva ni hie do vi do hie do gay be na ave self love na ẹ̀yin ki ku na mo di ọve ni ya do ya mi dofu ege ne de ha te gi mo di ọve agi ma o na mi ewe ave vi ya ti yan amo di ọve de vi amagbo ya mi side ikwere vi wati yan ni ware side odo na ti ya ifi pe gedo ivi gbo we ya Yoruba ya ifi pe gedo ya ifi pe gedo ege ne do ha te gi yan we o he gi yan we yes now
They will went to viral to the wrong way. Okay, they want to
Yes,
go viral
now.
in the wrong way.
Yes, now. Because then now money that they find now. Then our Facebook money that they find now. Are we ready for them? Except love. Oh no, no.
In the comment section, people ready for say
be
how.
one day with Tana, my dear sister. Eke all those trapping on with Watana, ni lega mana. Mani vi do. Where it's our work where our we don't know. Oh my goodness, we do when I do about talk by they can't mix up. Our respect we are prince and princess. Oh when I from Benin, now from Benin mo na give her a chance. I'm a where handle soon. Why worry is 300 be repeating be what you want for Wabulone, you are dead among the living. Why worry? This is very, very important. Why take it as a joke? We are going to take it personal. We are already taking it personal.
At all. At all. Muga.
Mesen de gyowan e bitap mobile road with asonode. We are not what? Or what
Okay.
bottom? Or what
Okay.
bottom? Or we am sure where I be wa do.
Oh, a princess, we yanana, muya bakwe, I deal with him, Udo beg him and the comment. Wetin she do? She not do nothing now. Wetin she do when they beat her like this? Wetin she do when they beat her like this? But you not see the video where she do now. You not see her. But by the time when we go catch her, they lace her for face. Because this one, we not go to see video again, no. Now that the Pedro, now go see rich, not be lie. Any of your power be say will cash for Benin, now be say the travel come Benin. Una not go see the video. Now the person go come use the mat, they tell una say, see wetin she pass through. I say be that time go come give your life to God. Anyone will cash. As far as we they save una record. As we dey TikTok here, we not just dey here for we not just dey here for say we want to play. No, we dey watch. We dey watch. When I faith not send a request ya deni. Efeti ogugwe oveso wani. We wa magba obo waji amagba. Yeah, we need get information ogwe fast.
Every time we don't need information if it have you know option that option no clear amas iya bacha osukun me
We worry a record there ma save ya ne veni ya nye nyoduku ni veni ya gua ebi ya ro why worry ebi ya wa ro
nera bi je wu o ma donate go iyen mo bi e pa total as a friend and well wishers
ebi ya ro why worry ebi ya gba ro evidence gwima wa gwima when
I saw that video yesterday, I was like, "What wanna see bang abi say Morocco?"
Even happiness enemy. Oh, you not the one
Only webers when he buy.
I don't want I'm no we am a pella diedo. Wa pella diedo. Wa ma wadi tota wa na we ovi ohani erere o mebe no ya de. Ovi ohani erere ma gba. Are money miss road ovi ohani no ka wa poor. O wa do so amigo. O do azoy. Erere e magi de okay. Wa ni invite pella diedo. Wa ma imo pella tota we no wa ka ma Uyoge do. Wa maka man wa mo tota. Pella, we dey call for you, your own, we dey call for you. Your mother need to train you very well. Pella, your mother need to train you very well. Because the way you dey misbehave, as you come Benin not be Lagos, so. You know, see where you go jump, enter. Pella. You don't see the nonsense where be say you can't talk come out from Mark Pella. Go ask, go. You don't say school, man. A lot of them be say no, not go school. That school they worry on for brain. They're supposed to carry you sit down, tell you the tradition and the culture about Benin Kingdom before you they learn. Pella, we dey call for you, oh. Your own, Pella. Your mama need to call you enter house. And you need to do video, make you beg the old Benin's. Pella, you need to do video, make you beg. Because that thing where you do, where they be mwe bo by bo. Ohe mwe. Pella, if you dey find where you want for the play Jangolova, you don't know where a children's school dey. Where children's school dey, me you go dey play Jangolova there. Because you be small pikin. We go dey play Jangolova there. Pella, person like you, we supposed to carry you like that for grant. We're supposed to lie down you for grant, use cane, attack cane. Because as they take the flog us all these days for school, Dr. Do Good, as they take the flog us that time, with 7 cane, they go gather am. Pella, they go gather am. They go carry you, this one go hold you for here, this one go hold you for here. We will flog you. We will flog you. You will dey cry. We will flog you. Hello. Yes, yeah.
So, Princess,
JP, yeah. Pella too small to go palace. Yeah, that's true.
Princess, I was on call before. So I just come back now when they talk about Pella. Thank God you bring up this topic. You understand? They try to be careful so that I won't step into anybody's toes. You know, this new Gen Z generation, they don't really understand the way some of us they really think. You know, when I see Pella videos, I think about 2-3 days ago. To be honest with you, I was disappointed. You know, those that organized that event or that visitation did not do well. You understand? Now, when they do some certain things for social media, for cruise, but when it comes to visiting an empire like that, you need to comport yourself. You need to comport yourself in a way that when other people that are seeing what you are representing at that minute, they will be serious and they will understand the how will I put it, the story that covers that moment you they try showcase, or the history, no, not story, the history that covered that moment when they try showcase to the world. Because Pella, as a person, his platform happens to be a brand, and anybody when they follow his brand, as far as at that minute not be entertainment, because visiting the Benin Palace wasn't entertainment, was not entertainment. That was an history covering. You understand? Now, for to come up as a brand, they do something like that. You not turn it to content creator and also fun. I think it is wrong. Let's be honest. If I'm opportune to really speak on that matter, we suppose even write petition against the visits of Pella to some places in Benin.
Yes.
Let's be honest, because a lot of persons are learning from those history. My mom, our only Arosa, my mom happens to be the youth leader there, right? When I visited Nigeria last time, I actually drove my mom down to Holy Arosa. But fear, at my age today, fear not let me come down, say, let me enter inside that church and start recording just because I wanted to send a message across. No, I think there are some things you shouldn't do, and there are some things you should do in the appropriate way. You understand? So those that organize that event and those that welcome Pella, I think there are better ways to do these things. Let me be honest with you. Pella cannot go to museum either here in Spain or in France to misbehave like that when they try educate them the history of that place. Let's call the spade a spade. And not be found, and is not evil person when I evil they try see anything. I don't know when children they learn from, from. So
Yeah.
maybe the way I'm speaking, some person go say maybe because I don't like it. No, but this is something that we need to teach people. When it comes to the ancient city of Benin, mostly when it has to do with those places, it has to be in a way that when you are presenting it, let it be something that people that are following you will learn from, and they will understand the history of those places. So I think they shouldn't allow that kind of thing to occur again.
Yeah.
You understand? Make them not allow that kind of thing happen again. No matter
The
how
people where
friendly,
carry that guy come, now he's supposed to teach
come, you
that small
understand?
boy.
No matter
Because
how close. Because before, I believe, say before Pella go step in those places, Pella may have, or his management may have sent a message there that this guy is coming. Let me use something for example. I love Omoyele Sowore, right? I love him for the good work he's doing. But when Omoyele Sowore visited the palace of Edo State, Omoyele Sowore was denied not to enter the palace. Now, do you know why I recommend that deny? Because that guy wasn't organized. He was just rah at that time. And you cannot use that rah spirit to go to visit a father. You understand? People may not see it from the angle I saw it from. So that's the same thing goes to anybody that is not comport, anybody that is not well organized. Pella is not. Can Pella try that to go to Ogun State that you want to visit Obasanjo? No matter how Obasanjo give free hand to people rich, you cannot be in the presence of Obasanjo. You enter Obasanjo empire, you can't behave like that. Things are not done that way. So I'm sorry if my statements, concerning this Pella visit may offend some persons, but I'm just giving my own opinion with my little understanding. Thank you, House.
no, you don't need to vex anybody because everybody vex for Wetin Pella do. Because that boy, he brain see small. Pella brain see small because I seen the wait to wait. Her mother supposed to tell her where you dey go, so my pikin. See the way you take do, see the way you take do. Because when I watch that video, the way Pella take behave for his now see the now that day I know say this boy not dey okay. Pella not normal. That guy not normal. They need to go lock that guy for inside hospital. Make they give an injection, mad people injection. Oh, they come also. Mad people injection, because the way that boy take do, no. Now when carry Pella come Benin City, we now need to do video. We want to see una video, and we need to beg everybody. Because Pella, they not train that boy at all. They not train am. And Pella, you need to go back to school. You're too small. You need to go back to school. Your brain never even strong. You need to go back to school. Cause that what you can't do. That boy, me believe say that boy they take market too. As me I dey see things now.